So now let's move further. So now we will be making a one more route handler to, let's say, to fetch all the posts, right? So when client will be making request to that endpoint, then we will response the client with all the posts, so we can show all the posts in a home screen, right? So let's make a route handler for that. So here I'll be making route, and that will be a get request simply, right? Okay, and we can make a get request to all post, post, all post, right, route, and here we can add a callback request comma response. Okay, now again we will be making use of the post model, and here we will be finding all the posts. So in order to get all the posts, we will just write find with no conditions, because we want to get all the posts. So yeah, just find, just by writing this find, we will get all the posts, right? So here I can chain on then, right? Then here I'll get all the posts, and here if we get all the posts, then we can send a response, JSON response with maybe post. Post is equal to posts. Here you can see key and value both are equal, so I can just condense it down to just post. Or if we get any error while querying, so we can catch that in the catch block, and I can console.log that error like so. Okay, so let's make a get request to this, right? Okay, so I'll create a new tab in here, localhost all post. Okay, yeah, this will be a simple get request. So let's make a request and let's wait for the response. Okay, here you can see we have this post, and this is an array with all the posts. But if you can notice, there is an issue. This posted by is just showing an ID. We should get all the details, right? We should get the posted in this posted by the name of the user who posted and the email of the user who posted, right? Okay, so how to get that? So we need to populate this, we need to expand this ID, we need to expand this record with this ID, right? We need to expand that record. In order to expand, or in order to populate, we can say, first we need to populate that. So after finding the record, then I'll add one more method, that is populate, right? Populate, and I want to populate postd posted by, right? If I save this, right, again I'll make a request, and now I'll wait for response. Now here you can see we are getting all the details, right? But there is still one issue. Here it is also giving us a response, the password, right? Now let's say we want only the ID and the name, right? We don't want the email and the password for now. Okay, inside this posted by, we want only the ID, or let's say we want only the name, or let's say we want ID and the name, right? We should have these two things. Okay, so how we can get that? For that, in this populate, we can put a second argument, and that is of select. What all field we want to select, right? What all field we want to select. So we want to select the underscore ID. We want to get the ID and the name of name from the record, right? Okay, let's save this, and now let's again make a request. Now we should only get the ID and the name. Okay, here you can see we are getting only the ID and the name. Okay, so I think this is it for this video, right? So we'll be continuing further in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next video.